In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove Gmail account from your iPhone. You can simply delete Gmail account from your Apple device in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Gmail. On your home page, tap on the Gmail profile icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Then head on the last option of Manage Accounts on this device. Let's say you would like to delete this Gmail account right here. Disable this option off and tap on Remove from this device. The selected Gmail account will automatically get deleted from your iPhone successfully. That's how easy it is to remove Gmail accounts from iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.